What's up, everyone? Today, we're diving into some of the most exciting developments in crypto right now. If you've been following the market, you know that rumors, whale activity, and exchange news can completely shake things up. And today's discussion is going to cover all of that, plus some major theories that could change the game for projects like Binance, Kaspa, Solana, and Block DAG. Stick around, because what we're uncovering today might be crucial for anyone holding BNB, Kaspa, or looking at emerging blockchain tech. This video is for educational purposes only. It is not financial advice. Always do your own research before investing in crypto. Let's jump straight into it. First up, there's a theory making waves in the community that's got people talking. Lost Coins on X suggested that Binance might be considering a move to fork a Block DAG chain, similar to the structure used by Kaspa, especially once DAG Night goes live. The idea is that they could migrate BNB holders on a one-to-one basis, reminiscent of how Phantom transitioned to Sonic. Think about this for a second. Binance's previous strategy worked incredibly well when BNB chain operated as an Ethereum fork. If they replicate that success on a DAG chain, we could be looking at Binance dominating the market even more aggressively, potentially pushing their market cap to over $1 trillion. Could this be part of Binance's secret strategy, or is it just community speculation running wild? Either way, it's an exciting prospect to keep an eye on. Now, turning to Kaspa. According to Kaspa Daily, the coin is trading around 7.4 cents, with liquidity stacked both above and below the current price, up to 8.2 cents on the upside and down to 7.2 cents on the downside. The price action is incredibly tight, which usually signals a major move could be on the horizon. The network's activity is impressive too. Yesterday alone, Kaspa recorded a staggering 760K active addresses. This isn't just numbers on a chart. These are real people transacting on the network, showing consistent momentum. Are you monitoring these activity metrics closely, or are you overlooking this opportunity? Because these are the exact indicators traders watch when positioning themselves for significant moves. And here's where things get really interesting. Lillian on X recently shared that she's optimistic about Kaspa landing on HTX Global exchange soon, and she even had a conversation with Justin Sun himself. According to a translation by Joe, Sun confirmed that HTX Global already has a contract in place and is actively working to list Kaspa. If this listing happens, it could act as a major catalyst for the price, potentially triggering the next big surge. But will it? Or will it just be another exchange addition that goes largely unnoticed? Either way, it's a development worth watching closely. Next, the technical picture for Kaspa is showing some strong signs of bullish momentum. According to Micro on X, the coin could revisit its all-time highs by Q4. The charts have been forming higher lows consistently over the past few months, signaling a slow but steady shift into bullish territory. Even on lower time frames, we're seeing classic bullish confirmation. Downtrend lines are being broken and retested successfully. This is textbook technical analysis, and if you've been waiting for a solid entry signal, this could be it. Do you rely more on technical analysis for your trading, or do you focus on fundamentals? It's fascinating to see how these approaches often intersect in real time when a project like Kaspa is gaining traction. And now, a bit of community excitement. Kaspa Silver reported that there are currently 6 public nodes operating in Florida, with plans to expand to 10 by the end of the month. Florida is quickly becoming a hub for Kaspa enthusiasts, demonstrating strong grassroots support. While some voices continue to spread doubt, committed holders are stacking their coins. As the community motto goes, you keep flooding, we keep stacking. Here's where things get really wild. Massive accumulation is happening, and one wallet, dubbed Wallet Number 2, now holds nearly 950 million Kaspa, worth roughly $71 million. That's almost 1 billion tokens. Community speculation is rampant. Some believe this could be Binance quietly preparing for a major listing, while others think it's just a long-term whale accumulation strategy. Bram on X hinted that something huge could be coming, suggesting doors are closing temporarily to allow large purchases. When that happens, Kaspa's price might not just move incrementally. It could skyrocket 10x or more. Every dip could therefore be seen as a prime accumulation opportunity for those willing to take a more aggressive stance. From an exchange perspective, Kaspa's order book on MEXC shows a heavy tilt to the downside, meaning it would take roughly 4 times less liquidity to push the price up 2% than to move it down by the same amount. On other exchanges, books are more balanced. This imbalance provides an intriguing trading edge and hints at potential price manipulation, or at least the strategic accumulation of coins before a major listing. Caspian raised a thought-provoking question. Are we, the retail traders, smarter than these whale wallets, or is it the other way around? Wallet number 2, for instance, just added 48 million Kaspa during a bearish market phase. Do these whales have insights we don't, or do they simply understand Kaspa's long-term value better? Adding a bit of controversy to the mix, Polinsky suggested that MEXC may be keeping Kaspa's price artificially suppressed. The theory is that Binance, or another major exchange, could be using MEXC as a gateway to accumulate Kaspa at low prices before a big listing announcement. Price manipulation rumors aside, the conversation highlights how strategic and complex accumulation can get behind the scenes. Meanwhile, Block DAG is making waves too. It's reportedly outpacing both Solana and Kaspa in terms of real-world utility, with over $420 million raised in presale. The Block DAG ecosystem is live, with an NFT Explorer allowing users to track assets in real time, plus tools for deploying smart contracts and minting tokens seamlessly. Their presale has sold 26.5 billion coins at just $0.00015 each, with more than 312,000 holders, 3 million mobile miners, and 20,000 hardware miners. That's real adoption and real traction. Solana, on the other hand, is struggling to maintain support above $220, with resistance between $230 and $250. Its upcoming Alpine Glow update aims to reduce transaction finality times to 150 milliseconds, potentially improving network efficiency. There's also potential for future inclusion in altcoin ETFs, which could drive wider adoption. Kaspa, trading around 7.5 cents, is facing some delays with exchange listings, but its technical developments continue to advance. Zkey VM integration and block throughput improvements from 1 BPS to 10 BPS are enhancing its capabilities. Mining accessibility through Nishash integration adds yet another layer of usability. Here's the bottom line. While Solana and Kaspa both have enormous potential, and Block DAG is demonstrating real results with live usage and strong presale performance, the real takeaway is about patience, strategy, and awareness. Whale accumulation patterns, potential exchange listings, strong community support, and technical momentum all indicate that significant moves could be coming soon. Whether you're backing Team Kaspa, Team Solana, or exploring emerging Block DAG opportunities, the key is to stay informed, do your research, and make deliberate decisions. Watch the market, track developments, and consider both fundamentals and technical signals. Crypto isn't just about luck. It's about understanding the trends and positioning yourself ahead of major shifts. Thanks for watching. Like the video, drop your thoughts in the comments, and hit subscribe if you want more real-time updates, moves, market trends, and hidden gems.